Hi, I'm Lee from Toolbox.co.uk and I'd like to show you the ROK 200W Orbital Sander. As you can see, the machine comes in a black moulded case. In the case we have the warranty details, we have 10 mixed grit sanding sheets, and we have the machine itself. With this type of power tool, we would always recommend that you wear safety goggles or safety specs. The tool itself has a locking button, so when we press in the start button, we can lock off that button, so therefore we haven't got to hold it when we are sanding. It also has a front handle, so we can apply pressure both front and back of the machine to give us an even sand. It also has dust extraction, so we can attach this to a vacuum to make the machine dustless. The power tool also has quick change sheet clamps, which will allow us to put the sheets on quite easily. That is the ROK Orbital Sander. So let's see the tool in action. And don't forget, all ROK power tools come with a 2-year warranty.